Ashley Munzing has been grinding her teeth to the point of excruciating pain.
Every day it kind of feels like somebody punched me in the side of the face and I have a big bruise.
Ashley finds herself clenching her teeth during the day, then grinding her teeth at night.
My wife's grinding is so bad that it'll actually wake me up out of a dead sleep.
Her husband Tim recorded her daily routine, which involves putting ice packs on her jaw.
I wake up every morning with headaches. I have soreness and tightness in my jaw, in my muscles, down here in my neck.
There's a chip here, chip there, there's chip here.
Dr. Mariya Malin says her dental practice in Wilton, Connecticut has seen a huge uptick in patients.
I've never seen so many broken teeth, clenching, grinding.
Nationwide, dentists are reporting an alarming 75% increase in teeth grinding.
This is what happens during grinding. This is why the front teeth crack, chip, break, and plain just like this worn out. Does it hurt when I touch you right there?
Yes.
To help alleviate nighttime grinding, Dr. Malin fitted her with a customized retainer. But she was shocked to find holes in the plastic.
I'm literally grinding right through the plastic.
So she's getting a new one. The goal, keep your teeth from getting worn out until life gets back to normal.